Welcome to day one of our Confidence to Cash 90-day run to 30K. Over these next 90 days, I'm going to be with you step by step and guiding you on a 90-day run to build customers, to build consistency, and to build confidence. Even if you're just starting from zero, even if you've just been wanting to, but you just don't know how to start online, you felt overwhelmed, this is your step-by-step guide. So let's dive. I want to introduce myself. I'm Christy Keeter. If you don't know me, I walked away from my teaching career. I came into the digital online space a couple of years ago because my husband begged me not to sign my contract. Guys, I just wanted my time back. I honestly wanted to have the time that I wanted to have to be with my family. We have 10 beautiful grandkids, and chasing them was more important than an 8 to 16 hour day teaching. I just felt stuck in that job, and I just wanted something more. I came into the digital online space. I walked away from my teaching career, came into the digital online space, knew nothing. So let me tell you, I want you to hear this. You're not too late. You can start at any time. And guess what? The digital online space is booming. So this 90 days is your perfect time to start on your digital journey. A little bit about the journey that we're going to start. I'm going to teach a segment that's going to start you with your vision. Vision is going to be your compass to keep you going. Motivation fades, but your vision for the next 90 days is what's going to keep you plugged in and going. You've got 30 days to start building and getting your confidence going. In 60 days, you're going to start seeing, oh my goodness. And in 90 days, guys, you've done it. So stick with me through this 30, 60, 90-day run, because I can tell you what you're going to see is unbelievable results in what you can achieve in the digital online space. So the vision, what do you want to do in the next 90 days? You want to get your vision down to where, what do you want more? Do you want customers? Do you want a following? You need more income? You need more confidence in building content? Maybe you need to grow an email list. What is your vision for the next 90 days that you want to do? Success is not built overnight. There is success overnight, but you're building a strong foundation for your online business. And so stay with me and let's go together and build this online business. The second pillar I want to get with you today is this: consistency. Consistency is your engine. Results just don't come from one big action. They come from small, retractable actions. Each post, each email, each conversation compounds. Your daily action builds on tomorrow's income. What are you doing today to build for tomorrow? You know, whenever I first started, the only thing I wanted was my time back. You know, did I doubt myself that I could do it? Yeah, because I came into that not knowing exactly what I needed to do. There's so many affiliate programs out there, courses out there, and you can just get lost in the shuffle. And there's so many people on YouTube that's trying to help you get through what you need to do step by step. My first 3-6 months, I was so lost. And as a teacher, I wanted to know everything before I came in and got started. I want to encourage you. I've done the learning. I've been on the courses. I have done the mentorship. And now I have built my own community, Building Digitally with Christy. It's on the school, SKOOL platform. I've linked it down below. So go down and join me in my free community. What I teach in that community is motivation. I teach you one-on-one on a daily basis. I do a little video coming in, and on this 90-day run, we'll have a 90 days of one-on-one. And so I'm just going to be in there guiding you each step of the way. One of the things I really want to encourage you, when you find the right program and you have the right mentor, those $900 days, $600 days, $300 days, $100 days, multiple streams of income start coming in on those days. Here's the action step I really want you to take today. Your assignment today is to go over to my community, join my community, and download the vision and consistency commitment sheet. What that's going to do is going to write down what you want to do in the next 90 days. I'll show you exactly kind of how to get started. I want you to promise yourself you're going to stay consistent in the next 90 days. Put somewhere where you're going to see it daily. I've linked it in my community, and you're welcome to come grab a free copy of that for sure. So what I want to hear from you, drop in the comments, what's one thing that you want your vision to include over the next 90 days. Share it so that we can stay accountable to each other and inspire you on this journey. So this is just day one. I'm so excited to walk through this next 90 days with you. Subscribe, hit that bell below so that you don't miss a single day. And remember, your vision plus your consistency will create confidence, customers, and cash. Let's do this together. 90 days, and today's day one. I'll see you tomorrow.